Never made a website? Can't code? This video is for you. Building a website builder used to be hard, but an AI website builder now does the heavy lifting for you. I'll show you how to create a website step by step and have it live by the end of the day. Let's get into it. A lot of people ask me if a website is worth their time. Short answer, absolutely. Here's why. Think of social media as a billboard and your website as the storefront. Billboards catch people's attention, but the storefront is where they actually buy your product, book a call, or join your email list. It's also a credibility check. When people hear your name, they'll visit your website. They decide in seconds if you're credible or not. It's where things happen. Social media captures attention, but your website captures the results, whether it's a reservation, a sale, or a new email subscriber. And you own it. On social media, you're renting the space and the algorithm decides who sees you. On your website, you control the look, message, and the audience experience. Building a website isn't a 2-week undertaking. You can create your website in a single afternoon. You already know that you need a website, but before you sign up for a website builder, you have to answer this question. What do you actually want your website to do for you and your business? Creating a website for a small business always starts here. Maybe it's selling the coffee you roast, taking bookings for your bed and breakfast, or growing your email list. Every site needs the basics, a home, about, and contact pages or sections, but your specific goals dictate the rest of your site's features. An online course platform, a place to manage your bookings or reservations, an online store, these features vary based on your goals. To determine what you need, do a little research. Look at your competition, see what they feature on their website, what colors and fonts they use, and how they guide website visitors to make a reservation, sign up for their email list, or make a purchase. A quick side note, I have a full video on exactly what you need to include on your site, from your logo and fonts to images and copy, plus an AI prompt to help you write each section of your website. Both are linked below. Either way, here's the golden rule. Content precedes design. Map out your pages, select your photos, write your copy, and establish your visual identity before touching a website builder. Do your homework first, then building a website is just blocking and tackling, taking hours instead of weeks. The planning is the real work. The build is easy. Whatever your site needs, you can build it with Wix, an AI website builder that does it all. They are generously sponsoring today's video, so I'll walk you through exactly how to take your plan and turn it into a live website. To get started, head to Wix.com or click the link in the description below to set up your free account. While you can make a website for free, I highly recommend upgrading to a paid plan. It allows you to connect a custom domain, have more storage space, and includes unlimited bandwidth. Plans start at just $17 a month if you pay annually. Click Get Started and sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. We're going to walk you through how to make a website using one of Wix's templates first, then I'll show you how to build a website with AI to massively speed up the process. For now, I'll click Setup without chat. Wix asks what your website is all about. You want to describe your website or business in just a few sentences. For example, I'll type, "This website is for my personal brand, JJ Thalen, where I sell and schedule one-on-one coaching, sell community membership, and create blog posts for my podcast episodes." What do you want to call your site? JJ Thalen is already filled in. Here I can type out my goals manually or choose from Wix's recommended option. I'm going to write, I want to grow my podcast, grow my email list, and book one-on-one coaching sessions. Based on those goals, choose the built-in apps you want to add to your Wix page. For my setup, I'll add Wix bookings, forms, services, and blog. These are 8 steps that Wix recommends when creating your website, but I'll come back to these later on. Right now, let's jump ahead and click Design Site. Here you can have the Aria AI agent help you set up your website, or you can browse the hundreds of templates that Wix has to offer. Given what I told Wix so far, here are a few of the templates that they recommend. Before selecting a template, you can click View to check it out in more detail. If you want to see all their other templates, click See All. Once you've found one you like, click Edit. Now let me show you how to build a website with AI. Skip the manual editing and let Wix AI Website Builder do the heavy lifting. This is vibe coding for your website. You describe what you want, and Wix builds it. When you get to this setup page, click Chat with AI. You'll first be greeted and asked what your site's all about. If you use the AI prompt I linked below, you can just copy and paste your business summary right into the chat. I'll do that now. That's natural language prompting. You describe your business in plain English, no code or jargon required. You'll then be asked a few follow-up questions to nail down your specific brand voice, target audience, and general needs. Here you'll choose the features you want added to your website. Again, I'll add bookings, forms, and a blog. Don't sweat this too much. You can always add additional apps later on. Click on Go to Dashboard, then on Design Site. Wix will instantly summarize everything you told their AI, compile those features, and hand them off to the Aria AI agent. All you have to do is click Generate Site. Right now, this is Wix Harmony at work, Wix's flagship AI website builder. It's mapping out what your site needs, building the layout, and customizing the text. And there we go. We have a full AI generated website, a solid first draft with copy and a design structure tailored to my specific business needs. That's how to make a website with AI and have a solid starting point in just a few minutes. Now let's customize the website. No matter how complex your website gets, you'll only ever need to know how to do these 3 things: editing what's already there, removing what you don't want, and adding what you feel like is missing. Wix makes this incredibly easy with this drag and drop website builder. If you want to change any of the text on screen, just click on it, start typing, and use the toolbar up top to adjust fonts, sizing, and colors. It's that easy. You can hover over and click on any element to grab it, move it, or tweak it. Plus, you have Aria, your AI assistant, here along the right side of your screen to help. If you don't feel like digging through the menus trying to find what you want, you can ask Aria to do it for you. For example, I'll type remove the login bar and shopping cart icon, and Aria gets rid of them. That said, some things are just easier to do manually. For example, I'll just swap out the logo Wix made for the one I already created. I'll click on it, hit delete, then simply drag in my logo right from my computer onto the page. I can click and drag on the corner to resize it, slide it into position, and align it with the other elements in the header. To clean up the navigation bar, I'll move the menu to the right side, then click on the menu again and hit Manage Menu. Here you can reorder the pages listed or delete the ones you don't want displayed. For example, I'm going to get rid of the notifications page. If you followed the groundwork prep we talked about earlier, you'll just replicate each page section by section. Let's first fix the images because this stock image obviously isn't me. Click on the image that you want to swap out, then click Replace Image and choose a stock image to replace it with or add your own image. In most cases, I recommend using your own photos whenever possible. From this menu, you can also crop your photos, adjust the lighting, or turn the image into a clickable link. Besides the content, the look and feel of your website is important. That's where fonts and colors come in. I'm definitely not an expert in graphic design or a master of color science, so I'll get AI's help for this. To make these changes, click on Brand at the top of the page. For fonts, you can go here and click on the different font sets and choose whatever you think looks best. If you did your homework, you should have a headline and paragraph font already picked out. You can change the heading and paragraph fonts here and here. You go through basically the same process for the colors. You can click on the different color palettes and choose one you like. You can also give Aria your desired colors or the feeling you want your website to convey and let it update the colors to something like this. It's easy to edit or delete anything on the page. I can click on the service list section and see all the customization options. I'll click on Manage Services and delete any placeholders I don't want and edit anything I want to keep. You could reorder the sections on your page as well, using the simple up and down arrows, or delete entire sections under More Actions. If you want to add something completely new, click Add in the top left-hand corner of your screen. You can add new elements, sections, or pages. Watch how easy it is to drop in a new button, customize the text, and link it to an external URL. And let's say you want to add a new section, but you're not quite sure how to create it. Let Aria do it for you. I want a section with 3 columns, one for each of my YouTube channels, with an embedded video, the channel name, and a description for each. I'll just type that into the chat box and let's see what it creates. That was definitely faster than manually finding the 3-column layout, dropping in video links, and formatting the text blocks. For me, growing my email list is really important. A lot of times you'll want a landing page that has a single objective to collect someone's email in exchange for something you're going to give them for free. For example, I have a prompt to help someone build their dream life based on Benjamin Hardy's book, Be Your Future Self Now. I'll ask Aria to create a landing page to collect someone's email in exchange for this prompt. This is actually really good. The only thing I'll do to edit it is hide the header and footer, then create a form and add it to the page. This was the quickest landing page that I've ever built. For more complex feature, click on the My Business tab at the top. This is where the apps live, like your blog and booking calendar. You can also access this on the main dashboard along the left. I'll click on blog, then on the overview page, I'm going to delete all the default template posts and start fresh. Click on generate a post along the right-hand side, and you can write the article yourself or use Wix's built-in AI post generator. For this post, I'll use voice to text to feed the AI my thoughts on Benjamin Hardy's book, Be Your Future Self Now. Select the target word count, my desired tone, and how many images I want in the post. Then I'll pick a blog post title from the ones that Wix suggested. Then boom, it generates a full formatted article. This helps you bypass the writer's block stage by creating a solid first draft for you. If you click on AI tools, you'll see some of Wix's AI features, such as image generation, outlines, meta tag creation, and grammar assistance. They even have an AI marketing agent. Once you've customized your site and are happy with how everything looks, let's move toward getting your site live on the internet. We'll want to connect a custom domain. With Wix's free plan, your URL is going to look something like this. If this is a website for your business, buy a custom domain and connect it to your site. On the dashboard page, you'll see Wix suggesting a domain. If you want to get that domain, click Let's Go, then make it yours. You can get this domain for free for 1 year when you upgrade to a premium plan paid annually. If you already own a domain, as I do, type in the domain and click Let's Go. Here it's going to tell you that this domain is already registered. If it's yours, you can connect it to your site by clicking here. You'll need to upgrade to connect your domain. If you just want to connect a domain, you can upgrade to the Lite plan. If you want to be able to accept payments, you'll need the Core plan or above. It takes you back to this screen where you'll click Connect it to your site. For many domain registrars, Wix will automatically connect the domain for you if you log into your domain account. I thought I'd show you the harder manual route instead, just in case. It's really simple. Click Start. Log into your domain provider. Find your domain settings page. This could be called DNS settings or advanced DNS. Here are the two name server records we need to add. I'll click Change, click Custom Name Servers, then copy and paste in the two name server records and click Save Name Server Settings. Back at Wix, I'll click that I've replaced my name servers. When connecting a custom domain, it can take up to 48 hours to connect. Usually, it takes less than that. We'll keep moving. Before we publish, there are a few final steps to make sure your website shows up when people search for you. It's important to nail down some basic SEO. Back in your dashboard, click on Marketing, then scroll down and click SEO Settings. For every page you publish, you'll want to make sure your titles and meta descriptions follow best practices so that search engines and AI answers know exactly what each page is about. I'll update the titles and descriptions for each page that we created. If this is new to you, don't worry, I've linked some SEO resources down below in the description. Wix also provides an SEO checklist to help you with basic SEO setup for your site, individual page SEO, and helps you connect your site to Google Search Console and Bing. If you want a deep dive tutorial dedicated entirely to ranking your website on Google, comment SEO below, and I'll send you the upcoming video. Along with your website, I recommend setting up a business email so you have a professional email address like hello@mybusiness.com or firstname@mybusiness.com instead of using Gmail or Yahoo. I always recommend using Google Workspace for your business email, and Wix connects seamlessly to Google. You can get your business email by clicking here. If you plan to accept payments through your website, click on Settings down here, then click Accept Payments. For most of you, you'll want to set up Wix's payment processor, highlighted right here. Click Connect to get started. Or to use other processing options like PayPal, Square, and others, click See More Payment Options. Once you can accept payments, I'd preview the pages one last time on a computer and on a phone, especially your homepage. Every Wix template is built mobile first, so you'll have a mobile-friendly website automatically, but it's still worth double-checking that everything shows up well on all devices. Now to publish your site, click the Publish button up top, click Publish again, then click on View Site next to your domain. Congrats, your site is live on the internet. It shows up just like we saw in the preview, and it has an SSL certificate, the padlock in the address bar telling your visitors the site is safe. Today we went through why a website is your most valuable digital asset, how to choose the right platform, and how to create a website from scratch. We used Wix Harmony to generate the entire site from a single prompt. That's how you create a website with AI. Then customized it with intuitive drag and drop tools and refined it with the Aria AI agent. Plus we connected a custom domain, optimized your site for AI and Google search, and made sure it looked great on any device. Now you have an online presence that you're in control of. If you're ready to build your own website, get started with Wix, the best AI website builder to get up and running with, by clicking the link in the description. But before you create your site, you'll need a blueprint. Watch this video next where I break down everything you need to include on your site and what to do before you start building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.